So here's your quiz, uh, daily math review quiz, weekly math review quiz for tomorrow. And number one, you have to round them to the nearest 10 and hundreds. So 372, this is a tens place right there. I'm not working with a 3 yet. The 2 says the 7 stays the same. We replace the 2 with zeros. Okay. Now it says round to the nearest hundreds. This is the hundreds place. Right there. Okay. Looking to the right. What does the 7 say to do to the 3? Add 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Replace the other 2 numbers with zeros. Like that. So the number that's in the tens place is the one in the middle. The number that is in the hundreds place is the one on the left. Okay. Solve. Well, 9 plus 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 7 plus 3 is 10. Plus the 1 that I carried is 11. Carry the 1 again. 3 plus 6 is 9. Plus 1 more is 10. And then 0 minus 4. Can I do that? Can I do that?
No.
If there's nothing, I can't take away something from nothing. Plus, I said if there's more on the floor, I need to go next door. If I borrow 1 from 8, I get 7. The one that borrow goes right here. Instead of a 0, I get 10. I'll put it right there so you can see 10. Do I have to borrow from that 10? No, I don't have any numbers right here. I don't. Okay, 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. And then 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 says the school cafeteria made 250 ounces of green beans. The students ate 187 ounces. How many ounces of the green beans are left? What am I doing? Subtraction, because of the word left. The 250 goes at the top because that's the bigger number. 187. 0 minus 5 can do that. Borrow from this 5. That makes it a 4. The one that borrow goes next door. Instead of 0, I get 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. 8 minus 4 can do that. Borrow from this 2. That makes it a 1. The one that I borrow goes to the right. Instead of 4, I get 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. And 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 says the art teacher passed out 24 sheets of paper to 8 students. Each student received the same number of sheets. How many sheets did each student get? What am I doing?
Division.
Yeah, because I know I know the total sheets, right? And I'm gonna pass just like I do. We pass out sheets of paper to each of you. 24 divided by 8 is 6. All right. Not 4 times 9 is 36. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 8 times 6 is 48, and 72 divided by 9 is 8. This should be 12, 3, 40, 30, 108, 24, 10, 6, 8, 8, 12, and 8. When I solve, okay, I do what's inside the parentheses first. So what's 3 times 3?
9.
9. And then I multiply 5 times 9 is?
45.
45. I do what's inside the parentheses first. 2 times 4?
8.
8. And then 4 times 8? 32. A baker baked lots of cookies when he was all done. He had 5 trays with 12 cookies on each tray. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And he had 12 on each one. Right? Then he gave 5 of the cookies to his best friend. How many cookies does he have left? So how many cookies does he have right now?
60.
Yeah. Easy would be 12 times 5 times 12 is 60. Okay, and he gave 5 cookies away, right? So what am I going to do next?
Subtract.
Borrow from that 6, that makes it a 5. The one with the book goes next door. Instead of 0, I get 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then 5 minus 0 is 5. So how many cookies does he have left? 55. Okay. All right, for your test tomorrow, it's going to be pretty quick. Okay. Just tell me what's the time on the clock, 1 through 3. So, for example, look at number 1. What's the time there? See, I would start with the hour first. I would start with the hour first. Okay. Watch. I would start with the hour first. The hour hand is pointing to what? 5. Right? And then the minute hand, is it pointing to 1? Not really. The big numbers are the hours. Okay. But I could count by 5. So what time is it? 5:05. And then you do the same thing for 1, 2, and 3. Okay. However, number 4, 5, and 6, I have the time already. Okay. I just need to put the hands where it goes. Okay. So number 4, what's the hour?
3.
What's the hour?
3.
3. So then, is it the long one or the short one? Short one. 3. And then it's 3:30. The long one's going to point where? 6. So then yours should look like this. Anything else is wrong.
The hour hand should be halfway between the 3 and 4.
Okay, but you get the point. Something like that. If it's pointing directly at the 3, fine, I'll give you credit. But it has to look something like this. Okay? Now, 7, 8, and 9, you have to circle the correct answer. What time is it on number 7?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Does this say 3 o'clock?
No.
No. Does it say 3 o'clock? The middle one?
Yes.
Yes. The third one's 3:30. That's not 3:30. The white minute hand, which is the blue one, is not pointing to the 6. So 3 o'clock, just circle it. All right. Okay. You also have question number 10. You're gonna go what? What does it say?
Label the clock.
What does it say?
Label the clock below.
Okay, and then just give me a short hand and then a long one. It doesn't matter where. That's what I'm looking for.